Nope. They don't fucking work. Look at the fucking hive beetles. Look at them all. And motherfuckers. Those talents don't work. That's those
Yeah, you gotta have something that's got a lot of fuzz to catch
yeah,
there.
and the other ones that I had did. So I'm gonna get, I got other ones. I was a whole roll from work. There's, used to see them last night when I put the light in here. Hundreds. Yeah. Well, let's go do these fucking burgers. Just 10 frame hives. That top fried ran a drop of honey in it. I looked last night, ain't a drop of honey in it. I don't know about that one there. And this is that 10-pound swarm I caught last year. They're working like hell. And I wanted to feed them. I didn't make it, but I wanted the sugar syrup in it today. And I had to go, you know, downtown. But they're bringing something in because they're working like hell. That's the big powerful one back there, that tall one. Used to see the bees at night. They're from the top of the hive down, solid. The back one with the real high one back there, yeah, that has the 4 supers on it. It's, you know, used to see the bees at night. Oh my God, it's covered.
Well, you guys have been asking for it, so here's a quick update from Fred's home yard. Foul-mouthed beekeeper extraordinaire. Thanks for watching.